Assalamu alaikum, Misbah Khan here. I'm a psychotherapist and emotional intelligence coach. And today I am here on Ecademy to share with you a short course on how to create better emotional intelligence in your life and how that will benefit you. Before we start the course, I would like to introduce to you what emotional intelligence is and how it impacts our lives. Emotional intelligence is also known as the EQ, emotional quotient, and also as emotional management. And the reason why we have emotional intelligence is so we can manage and maneuver our emotional lives in a more directional way. Rather than getting overwhelmed and hijacked by our emotions, we can manage our emotions. Our lives are basically our emotional lives are in three separate arenas, and they are self-awareness, emotional management, and empathy. And what we do by managing all three is to create a skill set called skilled relationship with ourselves. And what happens with the skill relationship we will cover in our next section.